Olivia, and today we're going to do a Mother's Day Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to be making a Mother's Day card. Here are our supplies: construction paper, scissors, glue, washable markers, and ribbon. First, you're going to take your construction paper and fold it hamburger style. Then you're going to take another piece of construction paper and fold it in half. When you get to the crease, you're going to draw a half heart. After that, you need to cut your heart out. Repeat that step 10 different times until you have a variety of colors and sizes. Next, you're going to decorate your hearts. Next, you're going to take your folding construction paper and glue your heart to it. Then you're going to take your glue and your heart and you're going to glue it to your paper. Make sure when you're gluing, you only glue the end. Hold on. Next, you're going to take your marker and write a special message. Next, you're going to take your marker and draw strings at the end of the hearts to create balloons. Next, you're going to take your ribbon and tie it into a bow. Next, you're going to take your glue and glue it onto the paper. Then stick your bow onto it. Inside, you can write a special message for your mom. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.